Students, there is a lot of question which is concerned to the metric linear scale. This question, after discovering some of them, is showing or guiding you to draw a metric linear scale. For instance, this question states that a licensed motorist travels at a speed of 120 km per hour, covered a ground distance measured on the map by 6 cm. If it is traveled per 15 minutes, determine RF and the settlement scale. Therefore, here you have to analyze the terms which is cosine. For instance, the speed is 120 km per hour, but ground distance measured on the map. Therefore, ground distance I think we don't have. But map distance is equal to 6 centimeter. If it travels per 15 minutes, time is equal to 15 minutes. Therefore, our purpose is to obtain ground distance. But you have to remind yourself that speed is equal to ground distance over time. Ground distance over time. But ground distance we haven't, but time we have. Therefore, speed we have 120 km per hour is equal to ground distance, which we don't have, over time. Time we have 15 minutes. Therefore, we have to cross multiplication. Ground distance is equal to 120 km per hour times 15 minutes. Therefore, this means we have to change in terms of hour. Therefore, it will be divided by 60 means this 15 over 60 is right to the hour. Therefore, we have to change this means into hour. Therefore, even this will be in terms of hour. Therefore, here ground distance is equal to 120 kilometer. Because we are just dividing hour and hour will be cancelled. Therefore, this 15 and 60. Therefore, by 15 is 1, by 15 is 4. Therefore, ground distance is equal, you divide here, you obtain 30 kilometer. After that, the question is to determine RF in the settlement scale. In order to obtain a scale, as you know, scale is equal to map distance over ground distance. But scale is equal to map distance we have 6 centimeter. Over by 6 is 5, 1 centimeter and 1 kilometer. Therefore, RF is equal to 1 centimeter over 5 kilometer, which means 1 to 5. Therefore, determining RF, this is RF 1 centimeter to 1 kilometers. And the settlement scale, this is scale according to expression. We have RF, linear, and statement. Therefore, statement, this is the weights. Ni maneno. Wherever we talk about statement scale is to change the number from fraction or from RF into the statement. But this is in terms of number, but we have to put in terms of weights. Therefore, Because the RF is 1 to 5 or 1 centimeter to 5 kilometers. Therefore, starting scale will be 1. You can write it 1 centimeter on the map, represent 5 kilometers on the ground. That is the starting scale, because we are just changing from fraction into weights. Therefore, 1 centimeter on the map represent 5 kilometers on the ground. That was the equation. You have to analyze in good way so as to understand in good way. I think the question is clear. I think the question is clear. If you not understood, we can lab this place, because we can lab this area, we can lab this one, this we can lab it. After labbing this one, because we obtained, after a calculation, we obtained this ground distance, which is 30 kilometers. We can start in good situation so as to obtain RF scale. You say scale is equal to map distance in terms of centimeter over ground distance in terms of kilometer. But map distance we have scale is equal to 6 centimeter on the map over 30, which we obtained during when we was calculating from the speed, which we obtained 30. Therefore, scale is equal to 1 by 6 is 1 by 6 is 5. Therefore, will remain 1 centimeter over 5 kilometer. This fraction RF, representative fraction. Therefore, this RF we can change it into statement. Because how we go in terms of fraction, we can put in terms of ratio, because scale is a ratio between map distance and the ground distance. We can put in terms of ratio, which is 1 centimeter, 1 to 5, which is 1 centimeter to 5 kilometer. Therefore, wherever I want to write in terms of statement or statement scale, I will have to write 1 centimeter on the map, represent 5 kilometers on the ground. Unajua hapa pazuri, tatizo hizi zitakuwa zinawahi kuondoka. Elasticity cyclist cover a distance of 45 kilometers. Kilometer. Therefore, because it is in terms of kilometers, this is ground distance. You have to observe this is 45 kilometers. According to your imagination, you have to know that this is ground distance. Therefore, ground distance is equal to 45 kilometers. Between town A and B in 30 minutes. This distance, ground distance, was from A to B, was taken in distance of 45 kilometers. When this cyclist or elasticity cyclist was moving from A to B for 45 kilometers, was taking 30 minutes. This is the time. Therefore, time will be 30 minutes. After that, if the distance measured is 3 centimeters, dear students, wherever you will head away 3 centimeters, get in your mind that this is the map distance. But this author, or the one who have composed this exam or this question told you that on the map. Kwa hiyo utaumiza kichwa kwa sababu ameshakwambia on the map, but some of them cannot write on the map. You have to remind yourself that 3 cm is the distance from the map. Therefore, map distance is equal to 3 cm. Okay, on the map. Calculate the speed of cyclist. For how long will the cyclist cover this 120 km? For how long? Wherever this question, how long this is time. Therefore, before to go to the second question, you have to calculate the first question. Because ground distance we have, time we have, map distance we have, and you have to know that speed is equal to ground distance over time. And speed is equal, ground distance we have 45 km over time we have 30 minutes. 30 minutes because it is minutes, and in order to obtain speed is in terms of kilometer over hours or time kilometers per hour. Therefore, this 30 minutes you have to change into hours so as to obtain speed. Because speed is not written or calculated in terms of minutes, it is calculated in terms of hours. Therefore, because the ground distance we have 45 kilometers, therefore time we have 30 minutes. Therefore, this means we have to change in terms of hours. Therefore, will be over 60 hours. Okay, by calculation, by 30 is 1, by 30 is a half, is 2. Therefore, will be a half. Wherever this is a half, will be times with this number, we obtain, okay, times 2 both sides, times 2 both sides, this will be cancelled, and this one will be speed is equal to 90 km per hour, because the hour was not cancelled. Therefore, will be 90 km per hour. Au tunaweza ukaweka hapo kwa haraka speed distance over time. Kwa hiyo hapa speed sasa na 45 km chini hii hawa ambayo ni 30 kwa 60 ambayo ni nusu 0.5. Kwa hiyo zidisha hapa kwa 0 kwa 10 na hapa kwa 10. Kwa hiyo hapa anaisha. Kwa hiyo speed sasa ngapi? Na 45 0 km hapa kulikuwa na hawa. Kwa hiyo chini ngapi? Ya 5. Kwa hiyo ukigawa hapa inakuja speed sasa ngapi? Na 90 km per hour. Wenye elimu ndogo labda unayosoma HGK unaenda pole pole, lakini hapo unaenda haraka haraka, mtu akemea EGM, HG anaenda haraka haraka, lakini wewe HGK mwenzangu wa Kiswahili nenda pole pole tu. That was the second question. Roman 1. Second question, Roman 1. To calculate speed of cyclist. Therefore, the speed you obtain 90 km per hour. The second, or Roman 2. For how long will the cyclist cover 120 km? You have to remind yourself that speed we have. Speed we have. Speed we have. We have speed of 90 kilometers per hour we have. But for how long? The terminology of how long is meaning time. Therefore, time we haven't. Therefore, this you are not allowed to use it. Therefore, speed is equal to ground distance over time. But speed we have, which is 90 km per hour. Now, and the ground distance we have, which is 45 km. But for how long? Time. sawa na ngapi? Hapa itakuwa ni ngapi? Time we haven't. Therefore time we don't have time. Kwa hiyo time una cross multiplication in order to obtain time. Kwa hiyo inakuwa hapa unakuja 90 km/h times time is equal to 45 km. Tunagawa 90 km/h gawa 90 km/h. Mwisho wa siku hizi zote zinaisha, inabaki time. Therefore time is equal to, huyu tukigawa hapa tukigawa na kuja ngapi? Kilometer and the kilometer will be absent. Tunaikansel, we cancel it. Kilometer and the kilometer remain hours. Kwa hiyo hapa tunapata 45 chini ya ngapi? Ya 90. Nini? Ni hours. Hours. Hii hapa tukigawa inakuwa ngapi? Haya. Kwa ngapi? Kwa 5 ni 9. Kwa 9 ni 5. Hapa ni 10. Haya. Gawa. Haya. Kwa 2. Kwa 3. Kwa hiyo hapa inakuja 1:20 nadhani. Twende polepole kama watu wa Kiswahili usudi uelewe vizuri. Usudi uelewe vizuri, twende polepole. Hii 45, hii ni 90. Kwa hiyo huyu ni 1, alafu huyu kwa 45 ni 1, kwa 45 ni ngapi? Ni 2. Kwa hiyo time hapa, time sasa na ngapi? Na 1 ya 2 ambayo sasa na ngapi? Ni nusu saa. Tunapata nini? Ni 30, nusu saa ambayo ni 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Time for how long? This is hours. Kwa hiyo nusu saa. Kwa hiyo itakuwa ni 30 minutes ambayo zitakuja kuonekana hapo, ambayo unaweza kuweka 30 au hivi, utakuwa unajua ulivyoweka, kwa sababu tulipata 45 na tukapata 90. Kwa hiyo mwisho wa siku tukigawa tunapata ni 30 minutes ambazo are the time ambayo inatakiwa kupatikana hapo. Bila shaka umenielewa inavyotakiwa kufanywa calculation. Kwa 45 moja, kwa 45 kwa 45 ni 1. Hapa ni 2. Kwa hiyo ni 1 ya 2 ambayo ni nusu saa ambayo unaweza kuweka kwa njia hapo. Therefore time we obtain which is half an hour.